Emergency fixture control is required to illuminate certain areas of a building when there's a loss of utility power. Different jurisdictions may require different areas of a building to have emergency lighting, but generally the paths that are taken to exit a building safely, known as egress paths, are included. This is why sometimes emergency lighting is also referred to as egress lighting. Emergency fixtures are usually powered in one of three ways. The fixtures could have an integral backup battery, there could be an on-site generator, or a lighting inverter. If the fixtures do have an integral backup battery, generally additional emergency control components are not required. If there is a generator or lighting inverter, you will likely need an emergency shunt or local automatic transfer switch. Which type is used depends on the fixture that needs to be controlled. Emergency fixtures can be indicated on floor plans in several different ways. Here are two examples where on the left the emergency fixture is half grayed out on the diagonal, and on the right the entire fixture is grayed out. Both are valid, it just depends on the engineer that made the drawings. To confirm if a fixture is emergency controlled or not, the floor plan should be cross-referenced with the plan's legend and fixture schedule. So now that we have a high-level understanding of what emergency fixture control is, let's review how it works. Looking at a very basic building scenario where we have the utility power, a generator, and an automatic transfer switch. Under a normal non-emergency situation, the normal source from the utility company will feed the normal non-emergency fixtures, but it'll also go through the automatic transfer switch to feed the emergency fixtures. During a loss of normal power, the automatic transfer switch will detect the loss, switch over to the generator backed up source, and start the generator. This will then power the emergency fixtures. Let's see how that looks for a room. Here we have a simple room with two normal lights and one emergency. We are going to generically refer to any control component here as lighting controls. We will expand on how the control is accomplished in the next video. During normal operation, the normal source feeds the normal and emergency fixtures, but when power is lost, only the emergency fixture is fed by the generator. During the emergency, the fixtures must also be forced to full bright, and this is where the controls come into play. Watch our next video to see how this is normally accomplished and how Touche accomplishes it differently.